Hi, little learners. We just listened to a really special story, The Invisible String, and it talks about how we are always connected. We're never alone. Just think about this invisible string. No matter where you are connected to somebody. So invisible means you can't see it. But today, I've brought some string, and you can see it. So this is something special that you can make for someone special in your life. You can make one for yourself and for them, and then they can always keep it. And if they're thinking of you, they can just look at the special string and know that that's how you're connected. Sometimes you have a special stuffy or a special item that you really reminds you of home, like a blanket or something. So this string is kind of a symbol of something special, and it reminds you of somebody. So you could make a special string with some special beads and give it to somebody and tell them that you're connected with them. You could make one for yourself and for them, so you both have the same one, and that if you miss them, you just look at your special string. You could twist the beads, whatever you want. So you can make a pattern, you can make it short, you can make it long. It's whatever you want it to be, because this is your special string. So it's not invisible, but it certainly is special. So you can make one of those for somebody pretty awesome in your life.